Hey everyone, it's Mike here with How To Apps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix graphics card not showing up on Device Manager for Windows 10. It's fairly simple, so we'll jump right into it. So the very first thing we want to do is verify that the drivers are up to date. So what we will do is just install the most recent drivers from the manufacturer. In our internet browser, we're going to go to either NVIDIA or AMD, depending on which graphics card you have in your system. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, we're going to go to the NVIDIA website. On the top right, we're going to press drivers. Now we're going to enter our graphics card information. And do note that you should be entering your own information here. I am entering my information for demonstration purposes. After entering the information, we will press search. It will give us the most recent game ready driver, and we will press download. After the download finishes, you will run the installer. If you have trouble with the installer, you can check one of our other videos titled How to Update NVIDIA Graphics Card Drivers. Next, I'll show you how to get the most updated AMD driver. On the AMD website, we're going to press drivers and support at the top. The first option it's going to give you is the auto detect option, which means you download this and then it will scan your computer and decide which driver is the most recent for your graphics card. If you already know which graphics card you have, you can enter all of the information manually on the list below. After you've chosen all of the information for your graphics card, it will bring you to this screen where you can choose which edition of Windows you're using, and then it'll show you all of the current drivers for your system. Now, after you have installed your driver, whether it be NVIDIA or AMD, once the install finishes, you will go back into your device manager to see if the problem has been solved. Most likely this was your issue. However, if it did not work, the next thing that you would want to do is go into your BIOS. Also note that it is different on most machines. To get into your BIOS, what you need to do is turn off your computer and then turn it on. As it is turning on before you get to the Windows screen, you will press the hotkey to enter BIOS. Here's a little cheat sheet that I found on Tom's Hardware that you could use. It lists the hotkeys that each manufacturer is using at the moment. However, you can usually just look at the bottom of your screen as it's turning on, and it'll also tell you which hotkey is for the BIOS. Every system also has a different BIOS screen, so unfortunately I will not be able to walk you through your particular BIOS. However, in your BIOS, what you're looking for is something along the lines of a graphic device setting. You can see here in this Lenovo ThinkPad setup that it has an option to choose between integrated graphics, discrete graphics, and NVIDIA Optimus. If it was set to integrated graphics, that means it's only going to use the graphics that is integrated into your processor, and it is not going to use your graphics card, and it will not show up in your device manager. If it was set to discrete graphics, it would show the opposite. It would only show your dedicated graphics card and would not show your integrated graphics module on your processor. Now, the computer in this example has NVIDIA Optimus, and essentially what that means is it's just going to run on the integrated graphics card until it needs the discrete graphics card for power, and it will switch over to it on demand. In your specific BIOS, you might see an option for hybrid graphics, which acts similar to the last one. Now, as long as you choose something other than integrated graphics, you will be able to press save and exit. On this example, it is F10. However, look at the bottom or the top of your screen in your BIOS to see which key it is to save and exit. Your computer should now restart, and then once it reboots, you just want to go into your device manager to verify that your issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.